Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to share our research. The title is a case study, gap competency between mechanical engineering graduated from vocational high school and the demand of the workplace. So this is our team, Mr. Ranto and then Mr. Hussein Bukes. We from the Universitas 11 Maret, Surakarta. Next, we're going to the introduction. This is the research background why we interested in field of the gap competency, especially for the mechanical engineering graduated from vocational high school. Because as you know, until the 2019, the student in the vocational high school or SMK around the 5 million. And the 5 million vary to the 9 of field of competency. The biggest one is the technology and the engineering. So, but after we sort of interview to the machinery industry or machining industry, so the industrial problem in Indonesia is how to find or how to finding the skilled workers. So until 2019, around the 1.6 million students from the vocational high school, but there is difficult to get the worker with the proper skill in the machinery. So this is the gap of the research. So our focus of the study to explore the kind of the gap competency and the graduated student from the vocational high school. And then in my research methodology, this research employed the qualitative method with explorative survey design. So sometimes we use the qualitative method or mixed method also. But the important method is a qualitative method with explorative survey design, because this method it's possible to finding the problem, estimating and formulating the solution, building the new idea or relationship through the real phenomena in or the event occurring in the community. So the community in this case is a workplace of graduated student from the vocational high school. This is based on the fact or real condition. So the sample of the company of machinery industry is we have the 4 big company. This is our sample. King Manufacture, Sinar Agung Selalu Sukses, Success Flasindo, and Legend Sarana Mukti. So this is our partner to conduct and to measure the gap competency between the graduated student of the vocational high school and the industry competency. And we're going to the result and discussion. After we made the group discussion, focus group discussion from with the industrial partner or machinery industry partner, so we can summary or the competency of the worker in the machining in machinery industry. The industry said the student graduated from the vocational high school have 3 kinds of competency. The first is basic competency. The second one is core competency. It's very important. And the third is supporting competency of production machine operator. And next, this is our result. What is the basic competency? The basic competency are a set of skill related to supporting of the core competency. So the presence of the basic competency in the production machine operator is requisite to become a proper operator. So this is our instrument. And this is our result. I think from the result, from the basic basic competency, we have four competency. First is understanding technical of material. Second, using measurement instrument. Third, utilizing hand tool mechanic and reading the technical drawing. From the four competency, almost the student graduated from the vocational high school Indonesia already competent. But for the reading, the technical drawing, we should take the consider and maybe we should make the innovation to make the student understand or proper to reading the technical drawing, because only 40% the student is competent. If we but we also happy because the 20% is outstanding or sophisticated competency. So this is the basic competency. We already make the mapping regarding the graduated student from the vocational high school in the machinery engineering. And then the second is the core competency. The core competency on the main skill related to the professional of the production machine operator. In this core competency, minimum the student graduated from the machinery engineering in the vocational high school. So they should have or they should can working by the lathe machine or conventional machine and the milling conventional machine and grading machine, CNC lathe CNC machine, and milling CNC machine. And so from the five of type of the machining processes, I think almost we should consider all the condition skill, because for example, for the conventional lathe machine, 33% student partly competent. So this is the we should consider this condition because only but if we calculate competent and sophisticated student, we also happy because more than half of the student are already competent. But there is the 33% student should be considered to upgrade and the competency, and also in the milling machine. And in the CNC machine, lathe or the milling, the result is not quite good. So it's not quite good, or we should make the consider to improve the learning process in CNC lathe or CNC milling in vocational high school. And then the third competency is supporting competency. This is what is the supporting competency? Supporting competency are the set of skills related to behavior and working attitude. So this is related to attitude of our student. First, comprehending, applying the safety, healthy, and security. Almost students already understand about the safety, healthy, and security of working, and also how to maintenance of the working tool. The student also have the good result. But being able to perform good customer service, we should consider this competency. So we should improve. So this is our result. So our conclusion is for the basic competency, the student almost quite good result. But we have 2-point competency we should consider and improve during the study in the vocational high school. First, the competency production and reading the technical drawing, and competency using the hand tool. And then for the core of competency, almost five unit competency we should consider and improve the education processes in the vocational high school. And then the third competency, supporting competency, the student graduated from SM vocational high school or SMK, the they cannot they should be improve the understanding, being able to maintain the working tool, and then how to give the perform good service to the customer. So this is our conclusion. Thank you for your attention. So we'd like to thank the LTPM Universitas 11 Maret for financial support. Thank you very much. If you have the question and suggestion, I'm really very happy. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.